2, 2.
Alright, we ready? Get it clean, turn throughout. Tony, roll us out.
Are you 5 or 6? Okay, we'll do this.
We are good to go. Good job. Stand that 3-4, 3-4, 3-4. Oh. Taking your head. That's unfortunate. Looks like he's doing a little touchy. Might be a little late for that. Ooh, watch it over the top. Higher low now, high. Oh, still trouble, high 4.
Whoa!
Meters up on you, so keep it nice and steady. You got some battling leaders right there. That's your card when you're battling leaders, so let them have a clean path, clean path. There you go. Nice and clean, guys, nice and clean. Watch those zones, guys. Inside car has the right of way. Especially if he's faster. We're one down. And keep it clean as that. Currently now Tony White is the red car. Is your leader. Steve and Boy, your top 3. John Walker, Ethan, making swim back out here, try to finish up. Again, you never know what happens. I've seen him go to the bottom and it's voting at one lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, clear. Coming up on that halfway mark. This is where if you haven't done it, you're not probably going to. Watch back, go high, low to the back, low to the back, low to the back. Oh no. We're over that halfway mark. Looks like probably. Watch the 2, high out of 2.
Take your time, and be sure you point me into the wall.
Still caution to the 2, Rebel at 2, still caution, here. Here, easy flag, Those cars are battling, Oh, easy.
Sorry.
Hey, if you knock them, you should be waiting. Watch the 2.
Well, that was
Might have been
nice.
a little bit of karma there.
I'm not sorry.
One minute left. Keep it clean. It's Tony, he's Coy, John, and Walter. 7-1 from Tony for the hot lap. You got that on lap 2. Left. Watch it. Oh. Watch it get in.
Dang, it's getting loose over there. On 3, on 4.
I really think the punter sister guys would really like being in the big block, red block. Tony, I think you're ready to go too. Y'all can really battle it out there. Nice and clean, guys, nice and clean. If you have a fast stretch coming up on you, this is where you let them go. This is where you get clean passes, high 3-4, John White done. Oh, 4, high.
It's racing fun now.
Walker Brown done. Oh, it's 2 catches, Kenny. He's the only one I'm missing. All drivers are finished. Tony White takes the 1 on 3.
That's a wrap from the track. If you like the video, subscribe and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. For those who want to join our pit crew and support what we do, head over to our Buy Me a Coffee page. It's a digital tip jar that helps us improve the content for everyone in the community. Hit the link in the description to help us out. Thanks for the support and keep on racing.